Hi friend, how are you? Today we will see about digital marketing course. First of all, what is digital marketing? Digital marketing is advertising with social media, with SEO, with email marketing and mobile app. Okay, if you are new to this channel, subscribe, like and comment now. Okay, let's start our video. How to get digital marketing courses? First, go to Google, write Udemy. It is a free marketplace to get digital marketing courses. Let's show you, follow up me until the end of this video. Let's go to Udemy. Let's see together. Udemy. Okay, login. Login with my Google account. Okay, let's search digital marketing course. Digital marketing. In this website, we can get for free and a paid courses. Let's show you how to get free courses on Udemy. Go to down, click price, select free courses. You see a list of digital marketing courses for free. You can learn and boost your knowledge. The second website to get digital marketing courses, go to Google, write Coursera.com. Let's search on Coursera.com. Search, you see a list of digital marketing courses, Google digital marketing and e-commerce. You see a list of digital marketing courses you can learn for free from Coursera.com. The third website is alison.com. You see on Alison digital marketing course, top 20 digital marketing courses for free. You can learn and boost your knowledge for free. Website number 4 is go to simplelearn.com. Go to simplelearn.com. Let's search digital marketing course. Let's wait. Free courses, digital marketing. You see a list of courses for free from simplelearn.com. You can learn for free from SimpleLearn with free certificates. When you finish your course, you get certificate for number 5. Go to this website skillshare.com. It is a paid and a free for 7 days trial. You can learn for free. Let's see digital marketing courses. Digital marketing course. Let's wait a little. You see a list of digital marketing courses for free for 7 days. Learn and boost your knowledge. This is our today's video. I hope this video will help you to learn digital marketing course. See you later. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you. Number